Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to record one customer payment towards multiple invoices. But before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so now so you get future video updates. Okay, so let's get started now. If you have a situation where a customer has made a payment to you, one payment for multiple invoices, there are multiple ways of recording it, but there is a right way and there is a wrong way. Let me show you both so you see why you should do it in one way versus the other. Okay, so let's do the wrong way first, and then I'll show you why you shouldn't do it that way. Okay, so let's say this is the transaction that we need to work on. So client paid $3,800. It's a payment for multiple invoices. Now you could easily know that the client is paying for invoice 1, 2, 3, whatever invoices, and usually thinking that QuickBooks does a great job in matching payments to invoices, people simply go in here and click on match, and they would find the invoices that are a match for this payment. And in our case, this payment is for test customer. So let's go to the test customer's account. Okay, now there are 4 invoices open. You know that this payment was for 1, 2, 3, and this fourth invoice, $800. Okay, now you recorded it, you matched it. Perfect. Okay, so for you, it seems simple. You recorded a payment, you matched it, done. Now watch what happens. You go to your bank account now. Here, let's look at this account. And we know this payment was in 2024, September 2024. So we're gonna go to that period. Watch what happens. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 payments. 1,000, 1,000, 1,800. What QuickBooks does is QuickBooks splits that $3,800 payment, that one payment, into multiple invoices, all the invoices that you applied the payment to. Now, what's going to happen next? When you go to reconcile your bank account, you are going to see this 1,000, 1,000, 1,800. Not a good thing. Right now, it was easy. It was 3,800. You knew which customer paid, which invoices it applies to. Easy, right? It's not always going to be a flat amount, like an even amount. You could have something like 3924.36 or something, right? Now, what are you going to do in that case? And there are multiple customers who pay for multiple invoices, right? It's not one off type transaction. Okay, so we don't do it this way. The way we do it is I am going to delete these payments. Okay, so I'm done deleting all the payments, individual ones. Now I'm going to go back to my bank transactions. Okay, now this payment is back here, $3,800. Okay, and I'm going to show you the right way to record it. You're not going to go through here. Anytime you have a payment that gets applied to multiple invoices, and you will go to the customer account. And I always like making duplicate tabs, so I am going to do that so I don't lose the banking window. Okay, I'll go to my customer's account. So I'll go to my customer, test customer, okay? And here are my old invoices that I received the payment for. So I'm gonna click on receive payment here, or you can click on new transaction. Okay, I know it's for this one, this one, this one, and $800 for this invoice, okay? And the date of the payment was September 24. Okay, now I have $3,800 here. It's going to my Citibank checking, save. Okay, when I do that, now I go back to my bank transactions and to my bank account again. Just refresh the page. Okay, normally it should show here that it's a match for an existing payment. Now it's not doing it. So sometimes it doesn't do it because it's really old transaction. It's 2024's transaction. Now we are in 2026, almost 2 years old this transaction is. That's why. But there's another way to match it though. We can click on it and we can click match. When we do that, we can say It's a match for a payment right here. This is my payment that I had recorded. Okay, match. And you don't always have to match it. If you know you have recorded this transaction, sometimes even after going through this process you would not find a match. That's just QuickBooks. There are glitches in the software. So sometimes if you can't find it, it's okay to exclude that transaction. So if you still had that transaction, if we weren't able to match that transaction, you can simply exclude it. And reason being, we know that we just recorded this transaction. Okay, we know we recorded this transaction. So if QuickBooks isn't showing a match to it, that doesn't mean we never recorded. We did record it. It's just QuickBooks is glitching right now. So QuickBooks isn't matching it correctly. Okay. And of course, there is always a bank reconciliation that you do at the end to make sure that everything has been recorded. Okay. That you're not missing anything. So that's our check too. So if you do exclude something, let's say by mistake, you do have that 1 point to enter that missing transaction again. Okay. Okay. So that's it. This is how you would record a customer payment that was supposed to be for multiple invoices. Okay. So I'll see you in next video, and happy accounting.